I am Dr. G.K. Sinha, veterinarian with long experience in this profession. Basically, I am academician and did lot many practice for cow, buffalo, dog, sheep, and goats at Jaipur. My I will concentrate my lecture on the subject career opportunities for veterinarians. This my lecture will be highly beneficial for the students who has cleared class 12 with physics, chemistry, biology along with English with minimum 50% marks. Now this veterinary profession is very progressive, and this is, you see, why I have chosen this, but this is the month of June, and the say, academic session and the opportunity for admission for the students will start now. So those students who has already done 12th class with the physics, chemistry, and biology, and they want to be veterinarian, um, uh, they this my lecture will benefit them. You basically you must have interest in the animals. Now, a veterinary course, it is a 5 years course, and there are many colleges all over India and anywhere. If you have to compete for the admission, you can get the admission there, and and if you study well and clear the course in 5 years, then there is lot of opportunity for you. You have not to sit even after examination for the final. You will not sit without job anywhere. Now this course, you see, is a 5 years, and the degree given by the university is BVSC and AH. That is Bachelor of Veterinary Science and Animal Husbandry. It's a very well known course, and this course BBS and AH from India, it is approved course everywhere, and one can get admission after BBS and AH anywhere in the world also, and even the job you can get also. Now, what happens actually? What is the what opportunity? Why you will take admission in a veterinary college? Why? That is a very important. This point is also important for your guardian or the parents or the person who will support you financially and allow you for this course. Now, the point is first thing that after 5 years, when you pass with BBSc and H degree, you see what is the opportunity. Now I describe you. It's a very you will feel happy. All the students, all persons who want to seek admission in this. Why you will go for a veterinary course? Kindly listen me. You see the first opportunity is your posting as veterinary assistant surgeon or veterinary officer in the Department of Animal Husbandry in all the state governments, whether it is a Rajasthan or Tamil Nadu or Bihar government or UP government or anywhere. This basic degree is required for a veterinary officer post. This is a government post. It's very important, and nobody has to sit. No veterinarian is sitting without any job. That is very important. Now, so we call it as a veterinary doctor, the first opportunity. And everybody, you see, it's very important. I tell you, everybody wants to have a government job. So this opportunity, once you apply there, there will be interview, and with this qualification, you get into the job. Then uh, there is that department is known as Animal Husbandry Department of the state. Now, then the other opportunity, if you are very bright, you have done your course in a very good way, and you also want to change your profession or to go into some other services, then let me tell you, don't feel surprised also. There are many. You can get administrative service of the state. As for example, in Rajasthan, there is Rajasthan Administrative Service. That is, in short, we call it RAS. Similarly, in other states, there is administrative service, and for which you have to appear in the examination, pass face the public service interview and get selected and get the job. That is the administrative post. Now the other higher post is Indian Administrative Service. Now I will cite an example also. One of my friend, he became IS officer, and he had a degree, basic degree with BVS NH. Then he did his Master of Veterinary Science, and he also did his PhD. But he got selected in the Indian Administrative Service. Like this, there are many veterinarians who have joined, even in, Tamil Nadu government and in other places. There are some veterinarians who has become Indian Administrative Service. That is one very important thing. These are the opportunities. Then let me tell you the other thing, which if you are interested, you can start your own clinic. Some 20 years back, there was very less private clinic in the veterinary profession. Now go to any metro city, go to any place, any good town, big town, and you find the veterinarians who got selected in the government, they did not join the government, and they have started veterinary clinic. That clinic stands for dog, and some clinic only stand for cow and buffalo. Some are even advisors. These are the appointments. Many veterinarians, after passing with BBS and AS, they are working as a consultant on their own and plus doing the practice. So these 4 5 opportunities I have told you just now. Then private practice, complete private practice. There are doctors who right from the morning till evening they do private practice, and they are earning good and they have made good social status. They are well known in the town. Then you can join veterinary college. Now for this, after BVS and H, you must go for Master of Veterinary Science or even PhD, because that is a college, and a master degree is very, very important in the subject, wherever you are interested. So this is, what we are talking about, the opportunities I am talking, job opportunities I'm talking after the BBS in a degree. Then every state has got livestock research station. That is a very, very big opportunity, and you can apply there, and you will get as a research assistant, assistant research officer, as per your experience, as per your qualification. Then if you have will and if you desire to serve nation, then there is a big opportunity, and many veterinarians, not only one, many veterinarians have joined army. And I tell you, basic posting, the first posting is as lieutenant. As lieutenant, I know many persons, my friends, they joined army, and they have gone even to the very higher post. They have gone up to brigadier, and one veterinarian, I'm not taking the name, he has gone up to major general, but brigadier many, and lieutenant colonel, major, and all that. So that opportunity is there. For that you have to, after if there MBSc is not required, Master of Veterinary Science is not required. If you have done BVSc and A, that is Bachelor of Veterinary Science and Animal Husbandry from a college, and your physics is good, and you have competed in good health, then you have an opportunity and a very good job. You are serving your nation. You are, if you are in India, you are serving your nation. You are serving the country. Then many state dairy federation. That is, in all the states there is a dairy federation. You know, in all the states there is a, and that dairy federation they are appointing many veterinarians, hundreds of veterinarians. They have got opportunity. They appoint as a assistant project officer. They appoint as a project officer depending on your qualification and experience. But assistant project officer is taken when once you apply and complete the job, and you are just BBSc and H, yes, you get the opportunity. There pay scale is also just like government, and all the rules and regulations are just like government. It's only for to say it is just a federation or corporation. That is a big opportunity, and that through that you serve the rural people in India. Then you have this then uh, another opportunity which not very well known to the people, but I am telling you, you must be the parents or whosoever is listening, the students who desire to have veterinary degree. There is Shipping Corporation of India. That the office is main office is located at Bombay. Shipping Corporation. They transport animals from India to other countries and bring some animals from other countries to India. Sheep and goat are transported, sometimes cows, sometimes buffalo, sometimes other animals. And such corporation, Shipping Corporation of India, they appoint veterinary officer. The veterinary officer has to spend his time on the ship for 3 months, 4 months regularly, and the animals, they take care of the animal. If the animal are sick, they treat the animal on the ship, and that is a very good service, which is an opportunity for the veterinary profession. Then the a very big organization, I tell you, National Dairy Development Board. It's a very big thing, and hundreds of veterinarians are working there. They develop, uh, they take up breeding, treatment, and all that. They collect the milk, and they totally the organization depends on the veterinarians and some other professionals. And you see, we are talking. I am talking about the opportunity. So I'm just telling you that it is not only the veterinary doctor that you pass BBSNA and join the government department. No, it is not like that. There are 50 opportunities where you can apply and do your job. So I told you, National Dairy Development Board. Then the other very interesting point is appointment at airport. I mean, very few veterinarians or even very few people knows about it. You see, all big airports, they have appointed veterinarians for the animal import and for the animal export. And they are paid very well, very well. There, if you are BBSN age, opportunity is there. If you are more qualified, there is opportunity, and that duty is at airport. You have to examine, issue certificate that the animal is healthy or what, and whether it can go out or no, and all that. This type of certificate, that is the responsibility of the veterinarian, because animals are quarantined also, and that quarantine is under the guidance of the veterinary profession. Then you see, we have in India some Central Drug Research Institute that is basically dominated by the medical people. But nowadays the scenario has changed, and I cite an example of Central Drug Research Institute at Lucknow or at other places also. There are many veterinarians who are working there. They work on very basic material and work for the innovation or emerging new against the new diseases and all that, and they try to come with a new drug and new medicine after trial on the animals. So this is one big operation. That is a central institute at Lucknow. Then you might be knowing Indian Veterinary Research Institute, a very big institute, well-known institute in the whole world, and there they also run BVS NAS courses, they run PhD courses, they run other courses, many other courses, and many veterinarians, hundreds of veterinarians, research workers, and all that, they are employed there. It's a very big institute and a beautiful, perfect laboratory they have to diagnose the disease. You see, sample for diagnosis, it goes to Indian Veterinary Research Institute. They diagnose and communicate. So what I am talking now, there is an opportunity that you can enter after your degree. for higher education or for a job. That is there. Then for many other persons who has done BBS in age, or the boys or girls who wants to take admission for the veterinary profession or the veterinary in the veterinary college, they have many other opportunities which I am adding here. You see, I have already spoken many departments, many places where after passing BVS and age, one can get the job. But there are many others. Now I'm telling you, you see, there are many big goat farms, and this goat farm is private also, and the goat farms are from the central government also. So central goat farm, central goat research farm, and private farms, many goats are there, and veterinarians are employed there, and one can seek the job. Then private dairy farms, many at Bombay, one big dairy farm. You see the RA Mill colony at Bombay. They have a thousand of buffalo, and you see the veterinarians are working there. Then I have not touched till now the poultry farms. Big poultry farms exist in India. Government poultry farms and also private poultry farms. And these poultry farms are very big. You see, 10,000, 50,000, a lakh of birds are there. And they need a qualified veterinarian. And BVSC and H, after passing from the college, you should not bother for job. Just go apply, say them that I want a job here. And if they have the vacancy, they will keep you. So this is one very good opportunity to you. Then let me tell you the other point. The zoo, they employ veterinarian. The only thing that this BBSC, and plus you have got a little bit training for the treatment of zoo animals. If you have got that, oh, you will get the job there. So nothing. Then earlier many veterinarians they joined circus company, and they are working there. But you see, but zoo is much better. So that is under the forest department. Forest department they also employ veterinarians. Then now a very big opportunity and with very good salary, pharmaceutical company, which who who prepare the drug for treatment of animals and for treatment of human beings. So they keep the veterinarian for trial purpose and also for many others, for advice and all that. So pharmaceutical company, and there are many pharmaceutical company. Each pharmaceutical company has got opportunity for the veterinarian. They give the appointment to veterinarians. Then the big Hapkin Institute of Bombay, where snake venom is prepared, antidote for the venom that is prepared. They have opportunity. They take veterinarian in their institute. Then that is known as Hapkin Institute, Bombay. Then National Institute of Communicable Diseases, NICD. They keep medical doctors and they also keep veterinarians. If you have a higher degree with the veterinarians, with the veterinary qualification, BBSNH, master degree, doctorate degree, microbiology in veterinary and all that, you have a good opportunity to serve National Institute of Communicable Diseases. Then, now we have talked, see, about 15, 20 places where after BBSNH or after a master degree or after a PhD degree, I mean, you have an opportunity for joining the job. So there is not, one can, you have not to move here and there. Job is there. You can get the job. Then let us come, we have talked about, now let us talk about the feed factory. Because we have talked about the animal. So feed, cattle feed, poultry feed, feed for horses, feed for pigs. These type of all feed, it's all big companies are making, like Godrej, Hindustan Lever, they make, and many other companies, they are preparing a standard good cattle feed, feed for the pups, feed for the dogs, feed for sheep and goat, cow, buffalo, and all that, different types of feed. So they definitely need and they appoint veterinarians respecting to the field of that. So that is a big opportunity to join cattle feed industry. Then we have many opportunities and like that, and it depends on you to choose where you are interested at. Now, whatever, if you ask my interest, then for the veterinarians, it is always good to the basic. Our basic job is veterinary doctor. Join the department. If I want to go for a higher and all that, go for a higher education in any college, and then you get into the veterinary college, microbiology, pathology, anatomy, medicine department, surgery, and all that. Then you can have a very up-to-date private hospital also. And if you are good, well built, and all that, then serve the nation, join army, and serve the nation. Thank you very much for listening me.